testing the task in BlastCraft MVP. The task is to cut numbers out of the name. So if we will have some numbers in the name, we don't need to show it in the email. Like here we can, we will test it today here, and I have the file CSV example with numbers. So each name consists of name and number. I need to export it. Now we will check. It is working. It is working correctly. It is saving the names. Let's check if we can do it manually. Yeah, it is working as well. I will add my list. Let's add it. Got numbers. And check how it is working. Got numbers. Okay, it was sent. Okay, let's check if it is sent correctly. Yes, stick blank. Now we can check how it was. It was like this. So it is working correctly. So we can close this task.